The typical first points would be, typically, I would do a walk around, one of my team would do a walk around, familiarization with your methodologies, the parts, the processes, and then trying to identify the targets that you desire, whether it be quality, cycle time, throughput, variances, all of these things. We get an understanding of what you're actually trying to produce. And then we kind of go into collection mode. What kind of things do you look for in fixturing?
Typically, one of the things that's important for us to assess the situation first is, once the selection of the system occurs based on whatever your production method is, or how you would like to set up your facility, then it's important for us to get the 3D data and the CAD, as well as prints that outline dimensional requirements, weld requirements, so that we can establish how we want to develop a fixture or a process. Now, we work with manufacturers. In some cases, we actually develop the full entire build-up process. So, for example, on like a UTV frame, we know how many particular cells there are. We break that process down into a build-up methodology of getting to the point where the final vehicle is done. And, we present that process to the customer for their approval. Now, there are cases where we also work with customers that already have their manufacturing process ironed out. So then we have to quote and estimate our tooling based on what their existing process is.